All right, guys, I know. You got up a website and you're just not getting sales. Today, I'm going to be covering some reasons why people may be very leery to spend money on your website. What's up, guys? Gary Edgenade, t-shirthelpdesk.com, the place where we cover all things t-shirt related. Make sure you go down in the description box and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified of all this fantastic information that we have on the t-shirt industry. All right, in today's episode, we're going to get down to some serious business, all right? All right, guys, so you have a website up, people are coming, but they're not buying anything, okay? Now, this video is not about advertising, getting people to your site, choosing a niche and all that stuff. I cover that in several other videos, okay? This is about for you guys that are up, your website is up, people are coming, but they're not buying anything. So you're actually managing to get traffic, but people aren't buying anything. Why is that? Well, in my humble opinion, a lot of times it's because your site does not seem trustworthy, all right? You just don't have that professional look that people are used to, okay? Now, if you go look at sites that are doing very well, you're going to see a few things that are consistent, all right? Number one is that they have beautiful, crisp, clean images. Their sites are uniform, okay? They're not all over the place. And I'm going to show you some of the differences between the professional looking stuff and a lot of stuff that you guys are doing, all right? You have to have the eye. Okay, the first thing we're going to get into is crappy designs. Now, when it comes to quote unquote crappy designs, this is relative because beauty is in the eye of the beholder. But some of you guys, you put up things that it seems as if you put very little thought into. You just put a few words up, a little piece of clip art, and like a really basic font that would be the same font that you would use if you were using like Microsoft Word or something. So one of the things that you can do, especially a lot of you guys are doing t-shirts with just words, is choose better fonts. A great service that you can use is defont.com. All right, they have awesome things. Make sure that you go in and you check the licensing agreement. You may have to go purchase the font or purchase a license, but check that first and use really cool fonts. Another thing is, and this is really big, you guys lack focus. Some of you guys have this idea. You have the Walmart mentality, all right? Now, Walmart is a huge multinational company, all right? Worth billions. However, they're Walmart. You're not. And what that means is Walmart sells a little bit of everything. And a lot of you guys think, well, if I sell a little bit of everything, then that way I can get money from everybody. Everybody's going to want my stuff. In actuality, the opposite is true, all right? When you serve everybody, you serve nobody, all right? It is really, it just puts people off to go to a website and let's say they come to your site because you had a like, I don't know, Save the Whales t-shirt, and then right next to it is a hunting t-shirt. Guys, the person that's into saving the whales is not into hunting, right? Then you got a vegan t-shirt, you know, then you got a Second Amendment t-shirt about guns. And it's like, people are really like, you know what I'm saying? You have to focus on a mindset and a niche and a lifestyle of that person and stay focused. You can't have something that caters to hippies and caters to like conservatives at the same time, okay? You have to be focused. Now, are there exceptions to every rule? Sure. However, there are not many exceptions to that rule. So find a niche, find a core target audience, and serve things up in that vein. Don't be all over the place. You are not Walmart. It puts people off. Serve something that appeals to a specific type of person, okay? Next one. Another thing that I see that really throws a lot of you guys off and makes people see the exit when it comes to your site is that there is a lack of a uniform. There's no uniformity, okay? Now, let's think about the term uniform. Whether you're talking about branches of the military, Army, Navy, Air Force, if you're talking about police, fire department, if you're talking about professional teams, football, basketball, whatever, even a marching band, they all wear a same uniform, okay? And you need to have that in your website. What that means is you guys will have a website and you'll have images showing the website, and the images will be different sizes. The images will be of a different type. You don't want that, all right? Let me just tell you something. You want everything to be uniform. If you go look at professional sites that are doing really well, they are not going to have different size images. One image was just the art. One image is the t-shirt itself. Another image is a model. They're not going to do that. Everything is going to be uniform. So let me give you the 3 ways that you can display your t-shirts. First thing is at the top of your page of your website, you need a hero image. This is a really nice photograph that displays what your website is all about, what your t-shirt business is all about. It should have photos of people who are from your niche, wearing the t-shirts, looking good, all right? Something that says, this is what my t-shirt about, and this is what the people who wear the t-shirts are all about. Beneath that, you want to start to display your tees. Now, there's 3 ways to display your tees. Number 1 is that you can just display the artwork by itself, all right? Just a picture of the artwork. Number 2 is you can just have a photo of the t-shirt, you know, the photo, the t-shirt laid out, okay, with the artwork printed on it. Really cool. The third way, and the way that I recommend, is having a model wearing the t-shirt. Okay, those are the 3 ways. Now, this is the deal. If you're doing any of those ways, it must be consistent throughout. You cannot have one where it's a t-shirt on a model, another one where it's just the artwork, and another one where you're just showing the t-shirt. Dead that. What happens is that when people go there, they may not even notice it. It may be totally subconscious, but it just looks unprofessional. It doesn't look together. And they're like, I'm out. You understand? Even if they like the t-shirt, there's just something about it that says, you know what? I'm not going to spend money with this person. You know, this looks like it could be some guy in his basement. You know what I mean? It's just like a relationship, guys. It's the little thing. So I know what you guys may be thinking, oh man, you need to tell them I got to go out and get a photographer. I got to shoot this stuff. No. There is a great service called Place It, all right, where they have you covered, okay? All you have to do is go to placeit.net, all right? They have tons and tons of different things. They have the t-shirts laid out. They have the t-shirts on models. They have different type of models. They have old models, young models, all right? Models from different races, models from different walks of life, you name it. You can go there and make it happen, all right? You can download whatever you want. You can get it for a monthly fee, all right? Or you can just buy whatever you need as you want it, and the prices are, I mean, it's like a little of nothing, all right? This, my friends, is an investment, and it's not expensive at all. It's an investment. And in life, it takes money to make money to you, because scared money. Don't make money. So guys, I just wanted to let you know that some of the reasons why you may be not getting sales is not because your t-shirts don't look good, not because you didn't do the right advertising, not because you don't have the right niche and the right core target audience. It's just that your site just doesn't look good. You know, your site looks unprofessional, and people think that, you know, you might be running some type of damn credit card scheme. Okay, so make your site look nice, neat, uniform. Use crisp, clean, professional images, and you're going to see that hopefully those sales start to go up. Anyway, guys, make sure you go to placer.net. The link's going to be down in the description box. But look, man, to do. So I'm going to put some butter on these shoes and slide on out the door. Cheers to your t-shirts. Do something good for somebody. If you don't have somebody to do something good for, do something good for yourself. Peace. Shirt man, yeah, that's me.